This is one of those random videos that I just want to share a few thoughts. Okay, yesterday I started to delete the photographs which are stored in my iPhone. You know, when you sync your smart device to your computer, I have this habit where I don't like to store things, whether it's documents, whether it's video files, whether it's movie files or images or whatever. I started to go through the photographs. To my horror, I realized there was a folder which used to sync the phone, and I found out that there were photographs which were like 2 years old. Like, it was just syncing. Literally 19,000 photographs, small videos, forwards. I was like, what the fuck is this? It's not small, huh? When I deleted just the photographs, I just wanted to see around how many. It was 526 or whatever GB or whatever, and that also I had not finished all. So imagine how much was there. I was, and I was deleting really fast. I was not deleting like slow. It really surprised me as to how much of junk was there in my computer. No wonder my computer was slow. So I deleted the photographs. That was one. Okay, I deleted the downloaded and forwarded stuff. Oof. I asked my wife, do you want this? She said, no, I don't need it. So much was there. Okay, I deleted that. And after I finished deleting that, I don't know, I just as a thing in my head, I was like, okay, let me just clean up my desk area. I normally do this, it's like deep cleaning once a while. So, I have multiple PCs and multiple monitors, you know that. So as my PC was deleting backups is another headache. It takes a long time to delete that. So I left my PC. When I disconnected the computers and I moved it aside, and when I was cleaning with the cloth, oh man, the amount of dust, it was fucking crazy. The amount of dust was like mad. And imagine, I'm a clean freak, okay? I still found incredible amounts of dust in corners and all that. And then on top of that, I started to find, it's like you have these drawers where you keep stuff, and you fill the gaps with things, pencils and dental floss, that big like small little string, and pencils and pens and rubbers and baby small toys and bits of candy. And fuck, when I started like removing and cleaning, no wonder I was getting like a little bit of allergy. It's unbelievable. Even after cleaning so much, there's still so much to be cleaned. I just took out a big bucket and I put everything in that, whatever I didn't want, only kept what was required. And then I was like, fuck man, this is crazy. So, it just baffles me as to, no matter how much I clean, whether it's my smartphone, whether it's my computer, stuff just builds up. For me, the biggest challenge was answering the emails, cleaning the WhatsApp. And now there is WhatsApp, there is Telegram, there is Signal, there is Messenger, there is... Sometimes I go crazy. And people wonder, oh, why you're not responding, why you're not answering? I'm fucking busy, man. But I'll tell you, I just wanted to share this as a one-off thing. Try this today. Your computer, just switch it off properly. Switch it off properly and just disconnect it and see how much of, remove everything and see how much of dust and dirt is there. My open challenge to you, try that. Okay, You'll be shocked, you'll be horrified, I can assure you that much. And keep it properly. Okay, after you finish that, okay, you cleaned it, then put on your PC, open a folder, all the photographs, all the photographs, search for all the photographs, dump it in one folder, all the videos, dump it in one folder, all the documents, dump it in another folder. And now your goal should be to delete the maximum. Okay, delete the maximum. Or I know the temptation is I have a hard disk and transfer everything. Don't do that. I have around 9 hard disks. Enough and more shit. I don't store anything because I'm never going to use it. You start deleting. Just delete what you either store it on your Facebook, or if you're worried about privacy, just store it on a hard disk. You'll be amazed and shocked how many things you're not using immediately. Just keep things that you're using immediately. You'll find your PC becomes much more faster. That is why, they say you should format your PC once in a while. You should format your hard disk because it cleans up everything, all the unwanted nonsense. Just these two small things: cleaning up your workstation properly, clean it with a cloth, clean it with a whatever spray, or make it like spick and span, brand new, cable management, everything proper. Do that, and don't keep any photographs in your phone, don't keep any videos in your phone, don't keep any apps that you don't use in your phone. Same for your computer also, same. I'll tell you, you'll be shocked how much of gunk, how much of rubbish, how much of dust and stuff that we are just collecting and keeping. I told my wife, I want to delete all this and finish it off. And I didn't stop until only then I went to sleep. And at some point I was like, okay, look fast. You can preview what it is. Delete. I did it fast. Right now my my iMac, whole night it has been on, just deleting the it stores, keeps a backup. So anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you guys in terms of cleaning. And I'll tell you why I'm telling you to do this. It helps you in terms of productivity. It helps you in terms of creativity. It makes your machine faster. It makes your environment cleaner. Makes you healthy. And in a very strange way, it makes you leadership. It makes you in control. It makes you really feel like new, And my gut feeling says you'll end up taking a lot of stuff out and you'll just get rid of it. And this will give you room to not only get rid of the old, but maybe sell off everything that you don't need and buy something brand new. Brand new, which you will use, which will add value to you and increase your productivity. Anyway, try this. Try what I've told you. Just your workstation, your computer and your smartphone. That's all. Your workspace. Do this and let me know your thoughts. I love to hear from you guys. Alright? This is me signing off. Put down your comments down below. I'll read them. And let me see if you have done it or you have experience. Maybe I'll also learn from you guys. Alright? You guys take care. This is me signing off. Ciao.